So Matt, a 2-0 defeat in the Carabao Cup, but a valiant performance. What did you make of it?
Yeah, you mentioned a valiant performance. But we have to be better with the ball. We have to. We had some chances in the first half, which probably we certainly should have hit the target and worked their goalkeeper. Second half, we didn't get up the field or create enough in relation to the game, and then we're so frustrated because we felt it was a cup foul on Maka in this bottom corner, a counter-attack against, ended up in a corner, and then poor marking on the back of that, and then it's a bit of an uphill battle. But throughout the course of the evening, I just didn't think we had it enough in us to create. In all honesty, we were so diligent, valiant, whatever you want to call it, so responsible without the ball, but we have to find more ways of hurting the opposition. So that's something for me to look at, and I can look at personnel, and I know Chrissy and Ruel coming back into it will make a difference, but we have to find a way to break teams down.
You mentioned the first half there, and it was a closely contested contest. Did you really feel that the first goal would be the most important?
There was nothing in the game to the hour mark, really. They started the second half relatively brightly, but we had the best chances in that first half. Like I say, we've just got to work the goalkeeper a little bit more. Will that quality come with different personnel? I certainly hope so. But those moments really of our chances were born off our industry out of possession, our press, our resilience in terms of our work rate to get to the ball and to get them under pressure and regain it. So like I said, the biggest frustration. And we can talk about the level of the opposition, but I probably expected a little bit more from us tonight.
And a first start for a few new signings. What did you make of their performance?
Well, pleasing, same as the weekend really. I think they're still finding their feet. Pre-season's been and gone now. This is a competition we wanted to progress, and we wanted to win the game tonight. We wanted to probably put on a better performance. So there'll be some who've done themselves no harm at all. But going towards the weekend now, we need a bit of consistency, a bit of rhythm, work on certain areas. We need everyone to stay fully fit, and then the ones who've probably not had the game time required, get them fully up to speed.
And I guess in a busy August, Saturday's not too long away. Is it an immediate chance to bounce back in a league campaign that you started really well?
Yes, yeah. I am disappointed tonight, I have to be honest. I thought, especially with the changes, I made 11 changes, that was a real opportunity for ourselves, and we wanted to progress, and that was a team strong enough and capable of doing that. Some of those players might be a couple of weeks away in terms of full sharpness and brightness. But if, like I say, when those chances in the first half goes in, then it's a totally different game, and we put the pressure on the opposition. So a little bit frustrated. It'd be interesting to see how they recover going into the weekend. But we've got to be really tough in terms of our mindset when we go to Rotherham. It'd be a test of character, but also a really big test of skill. And tonight, with no wind, a perfect pitch, I thought we could have used the ball a bit better in an attacking sense.
You mentioned some disappointments there, but something that can't be doubted with the fans. What did you make of that?
Outstanding, and that's I just wanted to give them more goal-mouth action. Not for the want of trying. Bar Kofi's shot towards the end, and a couple of ones which flashed across the goal. We've not given them enough to really sing and shout about, but they did it anyway. So full credit to them. I think they can see the effort this group of players are really putting in. The players are going above and beyond, and the fans alike. But we can't just keep on doing that. We need more in terms of creation.